Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Welcome back to D-Reviews, where we expose the truth behind viral stories and keep you safe from online hoaxes. Today we're talking about one of the most bizarre viral posts you've probably seen lately. It claims that an octopus was spotted off the coast of Portugal, not just swimming, but helping a diver by handing him tools. Yes, an octopus handyman. Sounds like a Disney movie, right? But here's the plot twist. It's completely fake. This image is AI generated. Here's what actually happened. A screenshot began circulating on Facebook showing an octopus apparently assisting a diver during underwater repairs. Many people shared it across social media, and it quickly went viral. However, the photo was only shared through social media posts and did not appear in any credible news or scientific sources. There is no credible evidence this event ever happened. The truth? That image was digitally altered. It was based on a frame from a real diving video uploaded to YouTube on December 11th, 2018, titled Saturation Diving 2018. That original footage contained no octopus. It showed closed-bell diving operations in the North Sea. Nothing like the viral post claimed. Someone took that real diving footage and edited it, adding the octopus holding a wrench. This indicates the image was digitally edited, possibly with the use of artificial intelligence, AI tools, to insert the octopus into an existing underwater scene. This means the octopus was completely fabricated. So as cool as it looks, this octopus isn't real. It's an internet-made illusion. A reminder that we should never believe everything we see online. The bottom line, it's fake AI generated. Snopes already debunked it, and it's a perfect example of how easily digital tools can trick us. So before you share the next unbelievable post, check the facts. This is D-Reviews diving deep so you don't get hooked by fake stories. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fact check fun.